Cyril Sang D. Morales.
What a journey this has been. I'm truly happy to be on stage again, where my journey began. It has truly been an unforgettable dream filled with adventures. Majestic in 2023 was a dream came true to me. I want to express my deepest gratitude to all the visitors who came to witness and enjoy our founding anniversary as I surrender my crown to Her Majesty Queen 2024. Hindi ko inaasahan na mananalo ako o kung ako ay nanalo. Dahil na rin sa pagmamahal ng aking tito, tatay at nanay. As the reigning queen, it is my duty to give some pieces of advice to the new queen as she takes over the crown. First, be humble and be good to everyone. Second, be a role model to everyone. And lastly, focus on your studies for you to be successful in reaching your dreams. Fulfill every goal you set. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all of these teachers headed by the Ma'am Merly Otello, my former advisor, Mrs. Gemma